Okay, here the line that I've written, I would highly recommend not to use this one. I will paste it over here so that I want to show you something, and I want to explain you that some of you may write the numbers like the point wise number like 1 and dot and space, okay, and then you write something and then next one 2 dot space. So this is not the correct way when you're working on Word or when you're writing some points, okay. So this is totally wrong, and this is totally the not so proper manner to write it, okay. This is not the proper format to use it. So instead of that, I would recommend, if you do not have the option of this auto filling number series, then I would recommend you to enable that options from going to your office button, click on your word options, go to the proofing, and then go to the autocorrect options in the first autocorrect options, then click on apply as you type automatic bullet list, automatic numbering list. Okay, okay, okay. And now when you type one first point, this is how your series will come, okay. By mistake you may be you may have done like by clicking here control automatic options, and then this is also one of the way, okay. So these are the options that you can actually explore while you're working or when you're practicing or when you're actually learning how to use Word in a proper format, okay. So this is one of the way. So please remember to not use or type the numbers like 1 and then giving full stop and then giving space, write something, again enter, again write 2 dot something like that, okay. Please, again I'm telling you, please do not use in those ways. If you simply want to use a numbering, you can just click it over here, okay. If you want to simply use the bullets, click it over here. How you can change the bullets or the design of the bullets, you can change it over here. Change a new list or define a new bullet from going to symbol, anything. If I would like to change the symbol, for example, I don't know, what is this? Say for example this, or theta, okay, okay, okay. So here my theta comes. So you can customize this symbol as well, okay. The next one will be, if you want to explore more of it, please go through this indentation and justification, give the length, you try it on, you check it and you see whether it works or not, okay. Please explore it yourself. Hence we have completed the alignment of the text, bullets and numbering and multi-label, increasing or decreasing the indent, line spacing, okay. Under the line spacing you can have the more options, that is add space or add remove or more of it, that will trigger this dialog box, that is when you click this will trigger this one only, and rest, that is 1 2 and 3 and 4, okay. So next one will be your sorting. Suppose I have a list, say example bag and purse and pen and pencil. If I've written a list like this, or Apple, or say Android, Android, and say Windows, okay. So these are my list, and I would like to add zebra, okay. So these are my list, and then you realized, oh, I forgot how to give the numbers, or I forgot to apply the numbering before this, okay. You can just simply select the list of it and then give it like that, okay. If you do not want to number it, then just again click it over the same. If you again want to give the bullets, click it over here. You can change the thetas, you can change this, check it again. If you do not want to view it in the bullets, then change it, okay. Now if you want to sort it out, if you have a list and you want to sort from alphabetic orders, okay, then ascending, yeah, that is Android, Apple, bag, pen and zebra, okay. If you want it in descending, okay, zebra will come, that is from A to Z, okay. So these are the ways how you can use your sorting in your Word, okay. That is A to Z, this sections, okay. Now this is the symbol where it will show you how many spaces or how many tabs or how many marks that you have left. Okay, for example, this. After zebra I've hit enter, after this I've hit enter, okay, after this I've hit enter. So these are the space that you are using it. Okay, just a symbol, you need not know it. This is specially done when you are working on a publishing work or a paperwork. Okay, next one will be, I would like to remove the space. I would like to sort it in ascending order. So, okay. And I would like to keep it in the bullet form. Okay. So please try more to use your tools and all. Okay. Now, since I have applied the bullets, I do not want any more bullets. You just click on the bullet sections again. You'll be back to the default margin or the same margin as that of the other paragraphs. Okay. Next one will be the line borders, or whenever you have if you have applied a table, then you can also apply the border for that table. Okay, hope you are very clear with this using, or you're familiar with it. And then you can also fill the colors. Okay, if you are typing something, you just fill it. Say for example, this is my paragraph and I want to fill the color into, say, black. Okay, so this is how I would like to fill my paragraph. Okay, next one will be the paragraph section is covered. I hope everyone is clear with it. If any doubt, please feel free to question or ask or anything like that. Okay, so moving on to the next, that is the style section. Now this style section is applied to whole of your document. If you want to change certain styles or clear the style, then I would like to recommend to select the text. From there you can simply browse it like this. You can change the style of the paragraph. Okay, and more options that you have, you can explore more of it. Okay, like this, simple enough. Okay, very friendly. And the last one is the editing subsection. Okay, in the editing subsection, I would like to explain you the uses of it. That means whenever you are working on a huge file, or whenever you, right now I just have the 2 pages of file. Okay, so if suppose, for take an example, if you have 10 and 50 of pages that you are working on it, and then you realize that at the 29th or 28th of your page, you realize that, okay, I wrote, I think the spelling of my author or my teacher is wrong in this, because as I've already mentioned multiple times in my previous pages, so it would be very difficult for me to correct each and every one. So simply for that, you need to find and replace your text. Okay, so this is how you do it. And the shortcut keys for that is, again, please remember the shortcut keys. The shortcut key is CTRL plus the series of F. Okay, the series of G and the series of, sorry, CTRL and the series, that is CTRL plus H. Okay, since I've applied the style from in here, I think it is applying the style that I've chosen here. So I would like to clear the styles. And I would like to recommend the default one. Okay, no problem with the style. Okay, we'll go ahead. Now you can also find that is F, G and H in your keypad in the second row. Okay, in the second row, F, G, H. What will F do? Just click on Ctrl plus F. See, it will give you the find dialog box. Okay, find and replace ka, you will find dialog box. What will your G do, or say H do? Ctrl plus H, it will replace the find what you, which is the word that you want to find, and replace with new word. So you can give it over there. That is the shortcut key is H, and G is Ctrl plus G is if you want to go to particular section, footnotes, anywhere, or the page number. So this is the windows that will prompt up. Basically the